4 days and 3 nights at Restoule Provincial Park. With us is
Sunday's journey.
family.
We are here at Restoule Provincial Park. We just arrived at 4 p.m.
So we are set. Here's our tent. And that's their tent. Clark, say hi.
Hi.
Gutom na kami. 7:30 na. Pero malapit na matapos ang pagkain. This is our first meal of the day.
Oo.
Salad, potato, and steak. Gravy.
So we're almost done eating. Specialty by Don. What did you prepare?
My kids.
Her kids? No Tagalog for the night.
Good night.
Good night.
So it's getting dark now. We'll see you tomorrow. Tol, so anong plan natin ngayon? Hiking?
Yeah, breakfast and hiking.
Restoule offers bunch of trails, and this is where we're going, Fire Tower Trail.
Walang lasa po.
We're eating hot dog in a bun.
Prepared by Restoule.
Pwede nang mag-asawa. Tobacco.
Tapos inom siya ng maraming yun, yung nahulog.
So now we're heading to Fire Tower Trail. Let's go. This is now the start of our trail, Fire Tower Trail.
Ito yung pinanggalingan natin.
In terms of difficulty, this would be probably moderate or high. This is one of the lookouts in Fire Tower Trail, Amber Lake. Tapos na hiking, tol? Yeah! Oh.
Meron kaming live na badminton tournament pinapanood.
Starring Carlos and Russell!
Makikita mo yung celebration.
Meron ba kayong adobo?
Buti kasal na tayo.
Nice.
Tapos sasabihin na. So we're just going to have our dinner and we're gonna hit our sack soon. Salted egg, pork lempo, eggplant, rice, apple pie, coke. This is why we camp. So we'll see you again tomorrow. Good night. Morning. I'm going to collect some water for washing. Morning, so breakfast is done. We are going to ride our scooter and electric unicycle. So let's go! Oh, go babe! Ah. Nice!
Naging sepak takraw eh.
So itong palaro na to, mas mataas pa sa Olympics. Paralympics. LOL! LeBron!
I did my best, but I guess my best isn't good enough.
Marami pa yung mga information nyo dun sa laro.
Yes! Walang kain! Walang kain yung ano, kalaban.
Mukha ba mo kain yan? Lusog-lusog na eh.
Masasabi mo sa game?
Thank you for my sponsor, Russell Gascon Enterprise. Well, thank you.
Talo! Kaya wala na masasabi.
See you next year.
See you next year. This is our last night here in Restoule. We're just gonna have our dinner. Thank you for Sunday's Journey for inviting us to this wonderful trip, and we will see you next time. Last night.